Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making chocolate orange fudge, a really nice simple recipe. This is a great edible gift for Christmas or any other time of the year. I'm going to be using Terry's chocolate orange in this recipe. I know some of you who follow me won't be able to get these, so I'll include an alternative option in the recipe so you don't miss out. Okay, so get yourself a nice big saucepan and I'm going to use 3 Terry's chocolate oranges and just break them up like that and get them into the saucepan. I've also got 250 grams of milk chocolate. You could add some dark chocolate if you wanted, or just a mix of both either if you like that. So I'm going to get that in there. I've got 40 grams of butter. I like to add butter because it gives that extra bit of creaminess to the fudge. I'm using the zest of an orange as well. And I've got a tin of condensed milk. This is 397 grams, so get that all in there. I'm going to get this onto some heat now. It's important just to put it on a low heat and to keep stirring it because you don't want the chocolate to catch on the bottom and burn. So we're going to just stir this until it melts. It'll take about 5 to 6 minutes. So let's get it onto some heat now. It's lovely and thick, smells gorgeous. The smell of the orange of it is fabulous. You can see how nice and glossy that is. Okay, I'm going to get this into a tin now. And I'm using my 9x9 square tin. Just lined it and just makes it easier to get it out when it's set. Get all that in there. Beautiful. Starting to look like fudge already. I'm going to spread this out, right out to the edge. And there you have it. So I'm going to just add some sprinkles to the top. You've got a couple of options. You could add some white chocolate sprinkles, like I'm going to do, or you could add some of Terry's chocolate orange. Just cut them in half and just push them down a little. So I've got these lovely sprinkles here. They're gold and grey and black, and I just thought they'd look really nice on top. So I'm going to sprinkle these over. Important to do this before putting it in the fridge so that they stick. Stars are really appropriate as well for Christmas. And there you have it. It's going to go into the fridge now for 4 to 5 hours to set. And there you have it everyone, that's my chocolate orange fudge. A beautiful recipe, a perfect one for Christmas, for gifting and sharing with all your loved ones. Try out the recipe, and as always, I'd love to hear from you. Let me know what you think of it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. We'll see you all soon. Happy baking everyone, and enjoy.